So let's move on. Okay. For this question, Classroom Superstars, meron kayong 3 numbers. So listen carefully. 45, 45 plus 63, 63 plus 22, 22. Go! Kyrie! Nakasagot si Kyrie. Kyrie, what's your answer?
45 plus 63 plus 22 equals 130.
130 is correct! Kailangan pala pinapasayaw para bumilis ang... Good job, Kyrie! Alright, Cloud. We have more questions here. Kaya bang umabol, ha? Habol pa tayo, ha, Cloud? Okay, raise the board. Raise the board.
Raise na yan, Rosal.
Classroom Superstars, pens up. Next, we have multiplication. 55 times 5. Go! Kyrie again! Up. So, it's Kyrie. Alright, Kyrie.
55 times 55 times 5 equals 275.
Can we see the answer? Technical committee?
Papakita natin sa technical committee, Kyrie,
valid ang answer.
Medyo hindi klaro kasi ang iyong pagsulat dahil nag-erase ka last minute.
Dali, lapitan na lang natin kasi yung sulat mukhang 325. Actually, 325 ang tingin namin doon. But close up po. Sir, lapit kayo para hindi lang ako. Sa
Alright.
close up kasi 275 na binura niya kasi kanina.
Kyrie ka.
Yeah. Excuse me, darling, it's 275. It's visible. It's visible.
Alright. So 555 times 5 equals 275. 275 is... Ayan, nako. Yan ang sinasabi ko eh. Mahabol na eh. Good job, Kyrie.
Kids, linawan ninyo ang pagsulat ninyo, ha?
Yes.
Para hindi tayo ma-question.
Ma-technical. So, Kyrie, you have 2 stars. Russell, 2 stars. And Cloud, kaya pa humabol. So, let's clear the board. Erase the board. Alright, kids. Pens up. We have subtraction. Five, 562 minus 449. 449. Go! Alright! Cloud!
562 minus 449 equals 113.
113 is... Correct! Ang tinding naman nito, mga number guys! Alright, good job, Cloud!
Ang init ng laban, Teacher Alvin.
Ang init, crispy! So, erase the board. Classroom Superstars.
Lahat ng kids meron ng stars. Lagyan natin yung star ni Cloud.
1 star for Cloud and 2 stars for Russell and Kyrie. Alright? Let's now go on to addition. Four, 461 plus 249. 249. Go! Kyrie!
461 461 plus 249 equals 710.
710 is... correct! Congratulations, Kylie! Congratulations, Kylie! Meron ka na agad 15,000 pesos! Congratulations! Anyway, Russell, Cloud, high five, good job! Group hug! Yeah, group hug, group hug! Yes! Okay! Thank you, Kenneth, Cloud, and Russell. You still take home with you the consolation prize of 5,000 pesos. Galing ni Kyrie. Sayaw lang pala kailangan mo, Kyrie, to warm up eh, no? Sige, Kyrie, ha? Good job. Meron ka lang 15,000 and you're moving up to our jackpot round. Okay? Sige, listen carefully to Teacher Alden. Kyrie, meron kang 60 seconds to solve 3 math problems. For every correct answer, you get 5,000 pesos. At kapag tama lahat ng sinagot mo, Kyrie, kapag nasagutan mo lahat, perfect yung mga equations, eh you bring home the jackpot prize of 20,000 pesos. Alright? So, andito si Teacher Pia and Teacher Pauline to reveal your questions. Sige po. Teachers? Yan. So, Kyrie, kahit anong unahin mo dyan, okay lang. Kapag natapos mo lahat sagutan, na meron pa tayong time, you can still check your answers. Okay? So, here's your pen. Ay,
Ano nangyari sa pen?
tanggal yung pen. Ito to.
Napuputan ng ulo.
Here's your pen, Kyrie. You have 60 seconds to answer the equations and your timer starts now. Inuna ang addition. Subtraction next. Kyrie,
Erase it.
clear your answer.
No.
8 times 1.
Kyrie, may oras pa.
Kyrie, you can review.
Review mo na yung answer, tapos linawan mo na
yes,
rin.
you can clear your answer.
Make it clearer, Kyrie. Okay.
Time's up! Kyrie, samahan mo ako ulit dito. Okay. Let's now know the answers sa mga sinagutan mo, Kyrie. Unahin natin ang addition. Anong answer mo for addition, Kyrie?
812.
So, 376 plus 404 plus 32 equals 812. 812 is... correct! Congratulations, Kyrie! Meron ka ng 5,000 pesos. And unahin naman natin ang multiplication. Sunod na natin ang multiplication.
Ito yung hinuli niya kanina.
Ito yung last. Sige, Kyrie, what's your answer?
33 times 21 equals 673.
673 is... I'm sorry, Kyrie. Hindi siya 673, pero meron pa tayong natitirang isa. One more. Pero, if you're gonna check your answer again, Kyrie, anong isasagot mo doon? You want to check? You want to solve it again?
693.
Ay, alam niya. That's the correct answer, Kyrie. It's 693. Okay, meron pa. Yan. For subtraction, Kyrie, what's your answer?
568 minus 309 equals 259.
259 is... correct! Congratulations, Kylie! You have 2 correct answers. ang total ng iuwi mo ay 25,000 pesos. Hi, man! Good job! Ayan na! Ayan na! Congrats! Ayan.
Congratulations, Kyrie! Sa mga students naman mula sa ibang grade level, simulan na ang pag-review dahil malapit na ang enrollment ninyo dito sa Eat Bulaga.
Ayan, bukas mag-aaral at maglalaro ulit tayo dito sa Classroom Superstars!
Susunod na